If you're encountering the server timeout error 2025 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers and may resolve the timeout issue. Step 3. Restart your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can help clear any connection issues and improve your internet speed. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Go to your network settings and change your DNS to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4. This can improve connectivity to game servers. Step 5. Verify game files. If you are playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This will fix any corrupted files that might be causing the timeout error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout error and get back to playing Red Dead Redemption 2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.